How to use Finviz Elite, step-by-step guide. Follow my instructions. In this video, we'll show you how to use Finviz Elite. First, open your browser, go to Google and search for finviz.com. Click the link to open the Finviz homepage. When you log into Finviz Elite, you'll see a clean and powerful dashboard. This is where your research begins. The first step is to use the Screener tab. Here, you can apply different filters like market cap, RSI, PE ratio, and more to narrow down your stock selection. Then, when you select a stock, you'll see its detailed chart. With the Elite version, you can change the time frame, add technical indicators, and use drawing tools to analyze the chart more deeply. Next, you can use the backtest feature to test your own trading strategy. This is a powerful tool in Finviz Elite. You can check how your strategy would have performed using over 20 years of historical data. Finviz Elite also gives you access to real-time price updates and news, which regular users don't get. This is how Finviz Elite becomes an all-in-one research tool for serious traders. Thanks for watching.